it's me, Allegra. Babes, I thought I would hop on today with a TikTok made me buy it video. I just picked up something, Lord help me, that I spotted on TikTok. It looked amazing. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning and I was going through my TikTok feed and I saw this video. I saw them applying this product, this makeup product, and I was like, what? Guys, I have a feeling it's too good to be true, but anyway, it's a brow product. And so it looked amazing. So let me just jump right into it and show you what it is, because I know I cannot wait to try it. Since I don't know what it is about that video, but it just drove me buck wild and I can't stop thinking about it. And it took, I don't know, it took a little while to get here. Not that long, maybe a week or so, but I was just wanting it so bad in the meantime. But beauties, here it is. It's called the Brow Trio, and it's a kind of one of those stamping kits, but I've never seen anything like this. It has stencils, it has a stamper, it has a special tool to stamp with, and apparently the brows are not coming off, they're waterproof, they're staying in place, and it looked amazing. So this is how it came in this cute little bag. The bag is silicone and it feels so nice and comfy on your hands. It's pink, my favorite color, so I'm thrilled. But the thing about this that I don't have a good feeling is that I'm very particular with my brows, and so I don't see how this can really make my brows look that good, because it takes me a long time to do my brows, and these girls on TikTok, these dolls were just stamping it on 1, 2, 3 according to the video, and they have these amazing brows. So that's why I was like, wait a minute, because it could take me 15 minutes to get my brows just right. You guys know the struggle is real. So anyway, because there's 2 of them, so you have to make them perfect and even, and this and the other. One is always different than the other, so it's a struggle. So anyway, guys, let me stop complaining. You guys are like, girl, stop. Okay, so what I have here is, in this little pouch came the pomade. So this is the pomade, and then in here is this little stamper tool. So cute, pink, and ooh, it feels so nice in my hand. It really does. And this whole kit was made by I believe a microblading artist, an eyebrow artist. That's all she does, is specialize in eyebrows in California. So this is her invention, so hopefully it works out. But so here is the sponge applicator that you're gonna stamp into the pomade. So I'm gonna kind of go like that when we take it out. And then there's some stencils in here, so I'm not sure which stencils I'm going to use. And then there also is a card with directions. She put together a beautiful kit here. So let me see here. I'm not sure which stencil I'm going to use. I really hope this works. Now that I'm really playing with it, I'm getting more and more excited. So there's this one here, a high arch large. And then there's the regular arch large. Maybe, oh, that looks good actually. That one looks good for me. This one is a low arch large. I don't know, I like that one too, surprisingly. Wow. You know what? I don't think you guys are going to be able to see this because they're clear, but these are beautiful shapes. Because I've purchased stencils before in the past, and the stencils weren't necessarily, this is a very, very hot shape. This reminds me of those Kendall Jenner brows shape. So I really like that. This one is a high arch small, so I don't think that worked for me. Another small, regular arch small. Another small, low arch small. Maybe these are medium. High arch medium. That's nice too. Regular arch medium. And low arch medium. So just off what just caught my eye is these low arch, regular arch large. Looks like that might work for me. So anyhow, let's see here. That looks good. I chose I think this is going to work good for me, hopefully. The regular arch large. So I'm going to go ahead now and open the pomade. And like I said earlier, they say this is a waterproof eyebrow pomade. So it is not going anywhere, supposedly. And I did get the shade Ebony. I hope it's not too dark for me, because sometimes, oh, it looks very dark brown. Hopefully, you know, we'll see what happens. Sometimes a brow product will be nice, but the color just doesn't go right with my complexion, so that's the only issue. What did I say, guys? This one, right? Regular arch large. Okay, now the thing is that you have to hold it onto your face and stamp at the same time. Oh, that sounds like a struggle, right? Okay. maybe it's more trouble than it's worth, I don't know. And so first thing they say to do is swirl the little brush that they send you into the pomade, and then tap off the excess in the cap. Well, that color looks kind of nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold it on. I'm trying to get it in place. Perfect. Because I do build up my arch. So I hope you guys can see that. All right, let's go. Let's go. Now this is what they were doing on TikTok. So now you just go ahead and stamp away. Oh my God, this is so scary, you guys. It looks like it's all over my face. But it's not, it's on the stencil, but right now it looks terrifying. It looks crazy, guys, right? Oh my God, no, it did get down here. Okay, okay, I'm scared, guys. All right, let's take it away. Let's take it away and see how it looks. I'm scared, guys, I'm scared. Oh my God, it does work, you guys. Are you kidding me? That does look good. Shut the front door. I just got some down here, which I probably got, you know, just because I was chit-chatting. You guys, that is gorgeous. I flippin' love that. Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I love that. This girl did it. I'm going to go ahead and put, because they sent me an email and she put her whole story. You know, no, not to me, like just to anybody who purchases it. I purchased this off of, you know, I saw the website, purchased it. And oh my God, you guys, I love that. This is actually the look I've been trying to do. And so I do the shape and I try to shape my brows out and it takes me forever, but this is actually the shape that I wanted. And that one just fit me perfect. The only thing is I do like to do the front, so I'm just gonna fill in the front a little bit with some faux hair, some fake ones in the front. But you guys, I hope you can see it. And the color matches my complexion. It doesn't have a red undertone because sometimes, you know, they have a red undertone and it doesn't match my complexion. And guys, supposedly this is gonna be waterproof. So I'm just going to fill in the front a little bit because I just love the way that looks when they're a little bit more. Maybe I should use the large. The large, there was another stencil bigger. That's what, oh, I'll do that on the other eye just to try it out with you guys. Because there was another stencil that was bigger. This is like my regular shape. This one fit me perfect, but I do like them to be like a big brow, big fluffy brows. Guys, I cannot believe this. This is so amazing. This is just gonna save me so much time and effort and energy. I just like to put a few strokes in front. Maybe there's another one. If I use the big one, the one that looked maybe was too big for me, but maybe that will actually give that big brow look that I like. Let me see here. Let me try this one just for fun. This one is called the High Arch Large. So I'm just gonna try this one just to see, you know, if I like it better. Because I do usually build up my brows a lot. So, you know, you guys know how it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp in again, tap off the excess. And we got to try see if these are really waterproof. I'm going to just, I hate to mess them up though. They came out so good, but I'll try to play with them and see. But anyway, let me position this. Yeah, see, this one's giving me more of a overdrawn look. This one. So let me just go ahead and stamp it on. Like this one is not my real shape. This one would be like how I like to draw in my faux brows. This one's taking extra pomade. Okay guys, this one is more like an overdrawn one. So let's see how it comes out. No, this is my favorite one. Okay, because that's amazing because now it overdrew my brows for me. Oh my God. This is truly an amazing invention. I hope nobody steals this idea from her because this is amazing. This is amazing. Wow, this is just beyond amazing. See, this one is more like smaller, and then this one is the way I really like it. Oh my God, I love this. This is so good, you guys, because like I was saying earlier, it takes me forever to do my brows. And now this just saved me all the time in the world. Plus, it gave me that shape that I wanted. I was actually thinking the other day about getting my brows microbladed because I was just getting frustrated because I want this shape and it was taking me so long to create it. I said I should just get them microbladed, but now I won't. This is all you need, because that was so easy. Now the other one looks a little skimpy in comparison. What do you guys think? So I'm just gonna, maybe I'll just use the, now, and the brow pencil doesn't look that good compared to it. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna just put this over the other one. Let's see what happens if I just try to put it over the other one. So guys, you have no idea how happy I am because I'm a brow addict. You guys are like, girl, you're just a makeup addict, period. No, but brows are really, they mean it. I just think brows just transform you like nothing else. If you just do your brows and if you have circles, conceal them, I mean, you're like good to go. So I'm just gonna try to get this one to look the same because this one's, like I said, this one is kind of skimpy in comparison. Where you're building up, I see, just keep tapping it in that same spot a few times. You'll see. It's because like I actually don't have hair up there, so I'm just gonna stamp it a few extra times to get the look that we want. They still look, I think they still look a little different, but that's okay. We were just playing today, and you know, from now on I'm just gonna use the one stencil. So anyway guys, I love these so much. I'm so happy. Oh, but we wanted to see if they're really waterproof. Let's see. They're not coming off. I don't want them to come off, so I don't even want to play with them too much. I'm happy. This is amazing. They don't need to do more. This is more than enough, but apparently they are waterproof, so I'll have to get back to you on that. So guys, what do you think? This is amazing. I'm so happy I picked this up. This is seriously one of the best makeup items that I've ever purchased, seriously. And so I'm just gonna finish up my face and I'll be right back. So beauties, I'm back. OMG. These brows have lasted because I wound up doing my makeup, I wound up going out, so it's been quite a few hours since I last saw you dolls, but these brows are the real thing. Not only do they make it so easy to get your brows done in seconds, but they last and last. So there's no, I don't know how to say it, but a lot of my brow products, I guess because it's super hot out, they really started to kind of separate on my skin and not look right, because like I said, I do overdraw my brows, so everything that I was drawing was coming off. So I was using a lot of different products. It was taking me a lot of work, you guys, but this brow trio has saved my life. It's a lifesaver. And now I see the whole purpose of this. I thought this was just a cute bag at first, but now I see. I went ahead and put all my beauty tools back in the little bag, so now I have everything ready to go for tomorrow. I will never want to be without this. So I've got my favorite stencil, my pomade, my stamper. Oh, also guys, I didn't realize, but they also do give you a spoolie so you can work the product through your brows a bit more, and it really gives you those beautiful hair-like strokes. So I probably did not even need to use the pencil, to be honest, because when you use the spoolie with the pomade, it really does make nice hair-like strokes. So I hope you guys can see that, but the spoolie makes a huge difference. It's a great spoolie. I don't know, it's just, everything's just so good from this. And so I will have all the details linked below if you guys want to check this out. This was not sponsored. I purchased this on my own money. I saw it on TikTok, and I had to try it for myself. So it's really, truly amazing. I could not recommend this more. This is going to be my lifetime. This is it, my lifetime brows. I'm so happy, you guys. This was an amazing purchase. So anyway, beauties, I hope you're all doing good. Let me know if you're going to try this, or have you tried it already. It's phenomenal. I can't get over it. But anyway, dolls, I love you so much. I hope you're all doing good. If you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are all doing good. Remember to stay safe, stay positive, stay focused on good things, and I will see you beauties very soon. Bye. I love you.